In this video, we're going to transform all of this to this, the ultimate Nerf Gellfire wall display, ideal for a Nerf war. Let's show you how I made it. So, I went down to my local Smith's Toys, got a couple of these Mythics, a couple of Legions, and a load of the gel rounds. Let's get them all unboxed. Right, so that's all the blasters unpacked. That's everything we're going to be using. All we need now is the frames. These come from IKEA. They're called Santa Head, and they're available in any IKEA, and they make them in black and white. We're going to be using the white ones, and I think we need some black foam for them. So let's go and get some foam cut. Right, so that's one, that's two. Let's get a layout sorted. That's a layout sorted, but one thing we haven't got in there is the ammunition. These gel rounds, 1600, aren't going to look very good in the box. But we've got a better idea, and that is using one of these prime bottles. Because believe it or not, this bottle holds exactly 1600 rounds. And if you don't believe me, let me show you. So, it's pretty simple. Make sure you wash the bottle out with some warm soapy water and cut the label off. Then you just tip 1600 rounds into the bottle and it holds them pretty much exactly right to the top. You have to give it a few taps to make sure they all fit in, but that is what you end up with. A full bottle of Gellfire rounds, which now fit perfectly in our layout. So let's get to cutting. Right, so that's all of them cut in, bar one. We saved this one so I can show you and talk you through the process. So it's as simple as, one, place the item where you want it to go and cut around it. Use the scalpel that comes in the cutting kits, make sure you've got the anti-cut glove on, and you basically trace cut around the item, keeping the knife perpendicular, so keep it 90 degrees to the foam and cut all the way around the profile. Step two, take the item out of the way and then trace back around that cut you've made, making sure it fully connects and cut down deeper. So we're cutting into 50mm foam and we want to cut down 40mm into this foam so we can house this Nerf blaster nice and tightly in the wall display. So I'm going to cut down 40mm all the way around. And three, once you've done that, peel out the foam. You want to pull out 40mm of the foam to give you a deep enough cavity to hold that blaster nice and snug. And there you have it, that's how you cut shadow foam. Right, that's both of them done. Let's get them on the wall. So there we have it, both up on the wall. These Nerf displays here are cheap as chips as well. So not only is this a cool project, a visual project, and if you're setting up a bedroom and you wanted like a Nerf themed room, these frames here are about 15, 20 quid each. They do fluctuate the price, but right now the shadow foam sheets are 25 quid, and that's half of a medium sheet, which you can get from shadowfoam.com. And then the IKEA frames are about 15, 16 quid. So you're looking at around about 27, 28 quid, and you can build one of these for your very own. And obviously you don't have to put Nerf guns in it, you can put anything in it that you can think of, but I do think these look pretty good. So let us know in the comments what you think of this. Like the video, make sure you subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos, and we'll see you in the next one.
Now, before we go back to Jono cutting the shadow foam, remember to subscribe.
Thanks very much, Colin. We've got loads of new exciting videos coming all the time. You're not going to want to miss them, so stay tuned.